Hello, my name is Omid. I am a young man with big dreams. I want to see the world. I want to learn new things. I want to help my family and make a better life. But to do all these things, I need one special skill. That skill is English. At first, English was difficult for me. I did not know many words. I could not understand songs, videos, or books. But I did not give up. I wanted to travel. I wanted to study. I wanted a good job. I wanted to make new friends. I wanted to learn more about the world. For all of this, I needed English. In this story, I will tell you how English changed my life. You will read how English helped me travel to new places, go to a better school, find a good job, talk to people from other countries, and learn new things every day. English opened many doors for me, and it can open doors for you too. Let's begin in my journey. Part 1. Omid's Dream to Travel, Extended. My name is Omid. I am 18 years old. I live in a small town with my family. We have a small house. My father is a farmer, and my mother takes care of the home. One day, I saw a picture of Paris in a book. There was a big tower. I later learned it is called the Eiffel Tower. The lights were shining. The streets were clean. The people looked happy. I looked at the picture for a long time. I said to myself, I want to see the world. I want to go to places like this. I want to travel and see new cities, new people, and new cultures. But there was a big problem. I could not speak English. In many countries, people speak English. It is a world language. The signs in airports are in English. Hotel workers speak English. Even bus and train tickets are written in English. If I don't know English, I cannot ask questions. I cannot order food. I cannot find help. I cannot talk to people or enjoy my trip. So I decided to learn English. I started with small, easy words. Hello, thank you, please. Then I learned how to ask for food in a restaurant. I practiced how to ask for directions. I used my phone to watch English videos. I listened to short English stories every day. I repeated the words. I practiced every day. Slowly, I got better. After 1 year, I traveled to another country for the first time. I went to Turkey. I was nervous, but I was also excited. At the airport, I spoke English with the staff. At the hotel, I used English to ask for my room. I met a boy from Japan. We talked in English. We became friends. I was so happy. English helped me. It opened a door for me. Now, I dream of going to more countries. I want to see the world with my own eyes. Part 2. Omid goes to school abroad. After my first trip, I wanted to do more with my life. I have a big dream. I want to become a computer engineer. I love using computers. I enjoy learning how websites and apps work. But in my country, it is hard to find good schools for computer science. Many of the best universities are in other countries, like the USA, Canada, or Germany. I wanted to study there. I wanted to learn from great teachers, but there was one big problem. I needed to know English very well. Good universities need students who can understand English. The classes are in English. The books are in English. The exams, the homework, even the school websites are in English. If I don't understand English, I will fail. I cannot ask questions. I cannot write essays. I cannot follow the teacher. So I told myself, Omid, if you want to study abroad, you must work hard on your English. Every day I studied. I learned new words. I used flashcards. I read easy English books and short articles. I wrote simple essays. I also listened to English podcasts for students. I watched English videos on YouTube. Some days were hard. I felt tired. But I didn't stop. I had a dream, and I believed in myself. After 1 year, I was ready to take the TOEFL test. This is an English test for students who want to study in another country. I was a little nervous, but I did my best. When I got my result, I smiled. I passed. Now I am ready to go to a university in another country. I can understand the lessons. I can speak with the teachers. I can write reports. I feel confident. My English helped me open this new door in my life. I am excited to learn more and become a computer engineer. Education is power, and English is the key to that power. Teach Part 3. Omid finds a better job. My uncle works in a company. He told me, Omid, we need workers who can speak English. Many foreign people come to our office. We need to talk to them. I thought, maybe I can get a good job too. I made a CV. I wrote it in English. I practiced job interviews in English. One day, a company called me. They needed someone to talk to international customers. I went to the interview and spoke in English. They were happy and gave me the job. Now, I work in an office. I help people from other countries. I write emails. I talk on the phone. I join meetings. All in English. My boss said, Omid, you are doing a great job. I earn good money. I help my family. All because I learned English. English opened the door to a better job. Without English, I would still be looking for work. Now, my life is very different. Before, I was not sure what I would do. I worried about my future. But now, I go to work every day. I sit at my desk, I open my computer. I check emails from other countries. I reply in English. Sometimes, I talk to customers on the phone. I explain things in a simple and clear way. My manager says, good job, Omid. Every month, I get a good salary. I use this money to help my parents. I buy books for my sister. I pay for the internet so I can keep learning. My family is proud of me. They say, Omid, your English changed your life. At work, I learn new things every week. I learn about business. I learn about working in a team. I also learn more English words every day. My job is not just work, it is a place to grow. I want to get even better. One day, I hope to become a team leader. I want to help others. I want to show young people that learning English can open many doors, just like it did for me. Part 4. Omid connects with the world. I like making friends. On the internet, I joined an English chat group. At first, I was shy, but I said, hello, and someone replied. I talked to people from India, Egypt, Brazil, and Germany. We all spoke in English. It was fun. We shared stories and photos. I told them about my town. They told me about their cities. I felt like I had friends around the world. One day, I met Anna from Poland. She was kind and funny. She liked reading books and cooking. We talked every week. Sometimes we talked about our favorite food. Other times, we talked about school or family. She taught me about her culture and I told her about mine. We both spoke English. English helped us understand each other. I also watched videos from the USA. I followed English YouTube channels. I watched people talk about travel, cooking, and learning. I listened to music. I read blogs about science and fun facts. I even joined a live English class online. I learned many things. English helped me see the world without leaving my home. Now, I know that English is not just a school subject. It is a way to connect with the world. I can make friends, learn about different cultures, and talk to people from many countries. I feel happy and proud. English gives me a bigger world to live in. T. Part 5. Omid learns from the world. There is so much knowledge on the internet, but most of it is in English. If I want to learn something new, I need to understand English. For example, I wanted to build a website. I searched how to build a website in English. Many good videos and articles came up. I followed the steps and made my own small website. I was so happy. Sometimes my phone has a problem. I don't know how to fix it. I search in English and find videos that help me. I follow the instructions. I learn how to fix small problems myself. English helps me solve real-life problems. I also like science. I read simple science books in English. They talk about the stars, the human body, and the earth. I also watch documentaries on YouTube. They are in English, but I understand most of the words. I take free online courses. I learn about health, history, technology, and the environment. I feel excited when I learn something new. English is like my tool. It helps me open the door to knowledge. I also help my little sister. She is only 10 years old. She asks me many questions about animals, space, and people. I search in English. I read simple answers and then explain them to her. I use easy words so she can understand. She smiles and says, "Omid, you are so smart." I smile back and say, "It's because I learn in English." English gives me power. It helps me grow. It helps me learn about the world. When I know English, I am not limited. I can learn anything I want. English gives me access to all the knowledge in the world. English changed my life. English helped me travel the world. English helped me study in a better university. English helped me find a good job and support my family. English helped me make new friends from many countries. English helped me learn about science, technology, and life. Now, I use English every day. I read books, watch videos, write messages, and talk to people. I am not perfect, but I am learning. I am improving step by step. If you want to change your life, start with English today. Don't wait. Start small. Learn one new word every day. Watch simple videos. Listen and repeat. Speak without fear. Make English your friend. Believe me, if I can do it, you can do it too. One day, you will look back and say, "Yes, English changed my life too." Thank you for listening to my story. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy and true and evu.com.